Enter your URL and click the Check My Website button. If you see the cPanel logo, you can use the cPanel migration method. Enter your URL. Click the Next Step button. Now let's get your cPanel login details. Click on the Advanced menu item on the left. Your username is the text under the current user heading. Enter your username and web host password. Then click the Next Step button. If you see this error, you'll need to create an API token. Click on the checkbox. Now return to the cPanel dashboard, type API into the search bar. Click on Manage API Tokens. Once the Manage API Tokens page has fully loaded, name your API token. Click on the Create button. Then copy your API token. Once you have saved your API token, enter your saved token and click the Next Step button. Select the domain you want to migrate to. Then click the Start Migration button. Now just sit back and wait for your migration to complete. Let's migrate using the FTP method. Enter your URL and click the Check My Website button. You should not see the cPanel logo. Enter the URL you want to migrate. Then click the Next Step button. If you do not have your FTP details, we will have to go to your web host dashboard to create them. Click the Configure button. Click on the FTP account. Now copy all of your newly created FTP or SFTP details. We will need them to connect to your destination server. If required, change the connection type. In this example, the web host uses SFTP. Click on the Connection Type drop-down menu and change the connection type to SFTP. Now input your details and click the Next Step button. Choose the correct WordPress installation directory. Then click the Select Directory button. Then click the Next Step button. Here is where we input your database details. We will head to your web hosting dashboard to create your database details. Click the Create Database button. Enter a password and click the Save button. The text I'm highlighting is your database name. Copy all database details. Input your newly created database details. Then click the Start Migration button. Now just sit back and wait for your migration to complete. Depending on the size of your WordPress site, within a couple minutes your migration will be complete.